Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we got practice 2.6. And in honors math, we've got the Chapter 2 review. Honors math, your Chapter 2 test is tomorrow, while everyone else is on Friday. For everybody involved, your extra credit that was given out last week is due tomorrow. In science, there is no homework, as we do have our matter test coming up on Friday. So we can make sure that we're going and studying. That would be a good thing. Social studies, same thing. We need to study for our government quiz, which is this Thursday. In language arts, we've got our Halloween Rebus story. There's no extra credit this week as it's the last week of the quarter. You can also bring any unused homework passes to language arts for extra credit on Wednesday or Thursday. And in literature, today we had a library day. You need to read 30 to 45 minutes. It's going to be it for today. Everyone have a fantastic Tuesday.